Welcome, friends. BPSC TRE has been announced. So I am here with must solve social science MCQs for BPSC TRE. These questions are curated from previous year papers and high weightage topics of social science. The first question from history: which major city of Indus Valley civilization is known to have had trade relations with West Asia? A. Ropar, B. Sangol, C. Kalibangan, B. More than the above, and E. None of the above. Answer is none of the above. The major Indus Valley cities had extensive trade relations with West Asia, that is Mesopotamia, where Lothal, Harappa, and Mohenjo-daro exist. Lothal was especially famous for its dockyard. Since none of the options match, the correct answer is in none of the above. Question number 2: of which metal was famous dancing girl of Mohenjo-daro made? A. Copper, B. Brass, C. Bronze, B. More than one of the above, and E. None of the above. Answer is C. Bronze. The dancing girl is a bronze status about 10.5 centimeter high, created using lost wax casting technique. Question number 3: how many suktas or hymns are there in Rig Veda? Rig Veda options: A. 1020, B. 1017, C. 1018, 80, D. More than one of the above, E. None of the above. So answer is none of the above. The Rig Veda consists of 10 mandalas and 1028 hymns, suktas. Since 1028 is not listed among the options, so correct answer is E. None of the above. Now question from geography. The pisciculture indicator is A. Determinism, B. Possibilism, C. Neo-determinism, and D. Stop and go determinism. Answer is B. Possibilism. Pisciculture, also known as fish farming, is the practice of breeding, rearing, and harvesting fish. The concept of possibilism suggests that environment sets certain constraints, but culture is otherwise determined by social conditions. Question number 5. Environmental pollution gives rise to A. Determinism, B. Possibilism, C. Neo-determinism, and D. Stop and go determinism. Answer is Neo-determinism, which suggests that while the environment can set certain constraints, human actions can adjust and influence these limitations through cultural and technological advancements. Now, question from polity and civics. Which of the following is a challenge to democracy in India? A. Ideological polarization, B. Regional imbalance, regional polarization, C. Economic polarization, and D. More than one of the above. Answer is D. More than one of the above. All the listed options are challenges to democracy in India. Ideological polarization divides society based on beliefs. Regional polarization creates division based on religion, identities, and economic polarization is the increasing gap between rich and poor. So answer is more than one of the above. Question number 7. Main rural occupation is A. Trade, B. Industry, C. Agriculture, and D. Service. Answer is C. Agriculture. In rural areas, agriculture is the primary and most widespread occupation, which includes crop cultivation and animal husbandry. Now, questions from sociology. Which of the following is not an element in the formation of a society? A. Uses, B. Procedures, C. Material culture, D. Non-material culture. Answer is C. Material culture. The formation of a society, it primarily depends on shared customs, norms, and social relationships rather than physical objects. Material culture refers to physical objects like tools and technology and is not considered as a primary element. The goal of social research is A. Exploration, B. Description, C. Explanation, and D. More than one of the above. Answer is D. More than one of the above. The goal of social research is multifaceted and includes exploration, description, explanation. It typically involves more than one goal simultaneously. Next question, sociology is a science because it uses A, statistical method, B, comparative method, C, scientific method, D, philosophical method. Answer is A, statistical method. The statistical method is used in sociology to analyze and interpret quantitative data, making a systematic and scientific approach. It emphasizes empirical data and objectivity. Now, more important questions, short questions. According to NEP 2020, social science teaching should primarily focus on A, rote memorization of dates and events, B, developing critical thinking and analytical skills, C, preparing students for competitive exams, D, learning the names of all states and capitals. Answer is B, developing critical thinking and analytical skills. NEP 2020 emphasizes a shift from rote learning to developing critical thinking, inquiry, and analytical skills in social science to help students to understand and engage with the world around them. Question number 12. In scientific method, which of the following has no place? A, observation, B, hypothesis, C, experimentation, D, value judgment. In science, there is no value judgment. Answer is B, a value judgment involves assigning subjective options or personal beliefs. It has no place in scientific method, which relies on objectivity, observation, and experimentation. So I will bring more questions in next video. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.